Big respect, people. You don't know. Sue be there. Now, you don't know a lockdown, them say, so you know, so we lockdown and we have enough time on we hand. So a brother of mine just sent me this from Protoje page, from him Twitter page. So Protoje say, and this was posted the 17th of March, see, 2020, right after Buju Banton do the interview on stage, where Buju Banton spoke about the state of the industry. So listen this. Personally, no artists were in the business over 10 years and don't give another artist a platform or help bust somebody can't say anything to me about the state of the industry. For real, brother. Protoje. Let me tell you something, brother. You see, when the teacher them talk, the student them for just listen and make adjustment. Buju Banton them a general medan. Shabba them a general medan. General. And you see from them no style you personally. Me no think see if you come out and try style them. You say Buju Banton did call your name and say you can't perform. Then we could understand say you're a man and you defend your thing. But the general was speaking in general about the state of the industry, which is true. All of the new artists, them cannot perform. The people them at the stage show bored out of their mind. You know say a true be. So if you ball out, that means say you are one of the people them where Buju attack. So we have to go watch you now and watch how you perform on the show them if you are going good. So you put spotlight on yourself now. We are going to watch you and we are going to talk. The general them set it. You say the general them not help nobody. I want to hear my youth, man. The general used to keep meeting around at the studio. And we used to go sit in and him teach we. Yeah, man. The general, when they depend tour, if you lose the equipment, the general give him whole band for perform with. The whole band, him just say, yo, I want to and give the whole band for perform with. Theme band. I ain't him have to pay $1. I want to me done. The general have hits after hits after hits, can play right through till you're dead. The general still have hits we can play. You get two little song boy and me done because the people ain't like you and you look a light voice. So the people might work with you. You see me I say me done? And you're going to Europe and two little place and the people them start work with you. Don't make it get to your head. So you feel like say you're in a Bob Marley shoes now can style the general. You see? And when you talk, man, do your research, man, and check your history, man. Check your history about Buju Banton, me done. If a Buju you talk, let me set that straight. And if any other artist went in the business more than 10 years, then be a man and call name then. Be a Rastaman, for Rastaman, Rastaman not show shade. Rastaman deal with light. So if an artist, you know, if you come in at the spotlight, I could see who you talk, then bring him forward. But we know say a Buju because right after Buju interview, you post that. So you can't style Buju, my general. Buju are the man. 10 years or 9 years and come back on the stadium. Ram! You see? That you have to check. Me and you go to prison for a year, them don't even remember we. Because we are student and them a teacher. You see what me I say me done? You get a little Grammy nomination and you feel like say you reach, bill. Go and sing music and make people rate you and love you, man. Because the people them like you. Don't make them hate you, me done. Trust me, you don't even have two little big songs like Heads High and I Am Blessed for people can hate you and you still eat food. You see? So don't try it, me done. People will hate you, boy. Yeah. People will hate you, boy. So if you stay in Europe and stay on the North Coast or stay on the West Coast and perform, stay out there and perform and eat your food, but don't try style Buju them. Because when them hold you in a hardcore crowd, they will make you look stupid. Buju will make you look stupid, me done. Buju will make the people them notice your paper voice, your light voice. Your voice will not too steady. That's what I say. So hold it, man. Hold it, man. Because you don't know, from you put spotlight for yourself, you're going to start notice the flaws them. See, so Buju did set the record straight about the state of the industry, which is true. The young artists them have to learn to perform. Because when people go on stage show and pay them hard-earned money, people forget a show. You see? So Bill, man, we know see I help to look at artists like You know, Layla Ike, them and them little artists. But no make it get to your head. The whole of we boy are help artists. I want to tell you, man. And everyone that we come out and, you know, publicize it. The whole of we help artists, boy, the whole of we. Check your history, man, and don't get too swell-headed. You see what I say? Don't get too swell-headed. Because we know you, you know. Remember, say we know your style, you know. Remember, say we up on the road already, you know. We up on the road, you know. Remember, say we up on the road and I ask you use your banner. You say, I can't use your banner, you know. Or your management team or whosoever say, I can't use your band. And me, you come from Jamaica. I make me have to work with a foreign band. You see? So stop throw shade, man. Be a Rastaman and stop be a, you know, a man with throw shade, like one girl. You see me I say, if you're burn fire, man. But if you're not on fire for burn, man, bill. So me I say, Buju are the greatest. You hear youth? Know that. So if a Buju attack, take it off of your page. Take it down before people go. If I when me talk about it now, people are going to look. So take it down.